Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce the 20FT Dehumidifier drain hose with a 3/4 inch FHT connector, designed for versatility and durability in both dehumidifier drainage and a variety of gardening tasks. This 20-foot hose, which can be easily cut to your desired length, features rust-resistant brass fittings for a leak-proof connection, ensuring it fits snugly into most 3/4 inch hose outlets, making it compatible with the majority of dehumidifier brands on the market. Crafted with a professional nickel-plated brass interface and a rubber seal, this hose guarantees superior sealing performance to effectively prevent any water leakage. Made from high-quality, durable, and heavy-duty corrosion-resistant rubber, it is built to last without the risk of leaks or ruptures, while remaining lightweight and highly elastic for easy coiling and storage in compact spaces. With a 10-year peace-of-mind guarantee, you can trust in the longevity and reliability of this hose, and if it breaks or leaks during this period, you can contact us for a hassle-free refund or replacement. So, whether you're tackling dehumidifier drainage or gardening tasks, this hose offers the customizable flexibility and exceptional compatibility you need. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.